Animals can broadly be divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. They can be classified according to their shape and sizes, body structures, characteristics, species, and subspecies. They can also be classified as groups using a hierarchical system. Their behavior or relationships based on the principle of evolution also help to classify them. Widely, the study of animals is called zoology. There are many families in the animal kingdom that are distinguished according to their sizes and color. In this video, we have listed 10 most muscular animals on this planet. Number 10. Giraffe. The reason the giraffe's forelegs are longer than their hind legs is because of the heavy muscular development on the base of their neck or their shoulders. Most of their muscle is found in their neck, which is fairly flexible to aid in fetching water down low or plants up high. Number 9. Muskox. It is no surprise that a muskox is a very large muscular animal. They have a large shoulder hump and a bulky build. These mammals average at about 1.2 meters tall and between 1.9 and 2.3 meters in length. The males weigh anywhere between 200 and 400 kilograms, whereas females weigh between 150 and 200 kilograms. So male musk oxen tend to be much larger than the females. These mammals are often compared to cattle, such as the very furry Highland cow, yet musk ox is actually related more closely to sheep and goats. Number 8. Gorilla. Gorillas have larger muscles in their arms than in their legs. The opposite is true for humans. This is primarily due to the fact that they use their increased arm strength for bending and gathering foliage and for defense. Although capable of walking upright on 2 feet, they most often walk as a quadruped, on 4 limbs. An adult gorilla's upper body strength is 6 times more powerful than that of an adult human, enabling them to lift, break, and squeeze heavy objects. Number 7. Grizzly bear. The grizzly bear hump is actually a large muscle. The most identifiable trait of a grizzly bear is a large hump on their shoulders, a powerful muscle they use to power their forelimbs through their daily routine. Grizzlies, known to dig more than any other bear species, spend inordinate amounts of time ripping through the earth and tearing apart rotted logs in search of roots, plant bulbs, insects, rodents, and other grubs. Their massive hump is also the muscle powering them as they dig out winter dens. Number 6. Lion. Watching a lion move and hunt shows the anatomy of a predator's body built for speed, quickness, and power. Lions move extremely fast. The muscular structure of its neck and jaw provides the power to subdue and kill its prey. The female lion does the hunting due to her superior anatomy and muscular structure. They are almost all muscle, which allows for quick movement and fast speeds. When hunting and killing, a lion uses a combination of muscles. Number 5. Kangaroo. Kangaroo, any of 6 large species of Australian marsupials noted for hopping and bouncing on their hind legs. The term kangaroo, most specifically used, refers to the eastern gray kangaroo, the western gray kangaroo, and the red kangaroo, as well as to the antelope kangaroo and 2 species of wallaroo. A red kangaroo's heart is much bigger than you'd expect, almost twice the size of a deer's. Almost half of a red kangaroo's mass is muscle, making them one of the most muscular mammals in the world. Number 4. Draft horse. Draft horses are recognizable by their tall stature and extremely muscular build. In general, they tend to have a more upright shoulder, producing more upright movement and conformation that is well suited for pulling. They tend to have broad, short backs with powerful hindquarters, again, best suited for the purpose of pulling. Additionally, the draft breeds usually have heavy bone and a good deal of feathering on their lower legs. Number 3. Pig. With more people eating meat in the world, pig genes have been altered to create supersized swines. Footage has emerged showing pigs that look like they've been gorging on steroids and pumping iron in the gym. But these pigs have not grown like this naturally or through drugs. They are the result of research carried out in South Korea. These double-muscled pigs are made by disrupting or editing a single gene. Number 2. Belgian Blue. The Belgian Blue is an impressive breed by many accounts. This well-muscled beast originated from northern and central Belgium on mainland Europe, possibly from a mix of Shorthorn and Charolais. Belgian Blues are recognizable from their extremely muscled frame and huge size. In fact, they actually develop what is called double muscling. They have well-defined backs and loins with strong-looking legs, and bulls can often reach a weight of 1,250 kilograms. Number 1. Anaconda. Anacondas are stocky, thicker than other boas, and the most muscular animals in the world. They have thick necks and narrow but large heads. Anacondas kill by constricting, squeezing their prey until it can no longer breathe. Sometimes they drown the prey. Like all snakes, they swallow the prey whole, head first. Anacondas have small, smooth scales that grow larger toward the posterior of their bodies. They have loose, soft skin that can handle a great deal of water absorption.